on a solo mission up Goblin Knob here at Priest Lake, and I started basically down at lake level about an hour ago. I'm an hour into the hike at the 5th switchback, and we're heading up for some sunshine and maybe a little bit of powder off Goblin Knob. Oh yeah, we got sunshine, we got freshies, we got split board, backpack, myself, and we are heading up the mountain. So today we're using my homemade split board. I made this out of an Aperture 161 with the Voile split kit. Got some skins on the bottom. It's basically a snowboard that you cut in half and make into your own split board. So that's what we're using to get up here today. It clips back together, it becomes a snowboard for the downhill, and for the uphill it's basically like backcountry skis. It sticks right to the mountain and you can walk right up. So a lot of people wonder probably how I get up to some of these peaks, and that's how I do it: split board and snowshoes. We're looking up toward the top of the ridge here at Goblin Knob. Yeah, we are at the very top of Goblin Knob. just got ridden, Priest Lake, snowboard invasion, boom.